Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I have got a box from a company called Bluelots.com. Bluelots. See, looks like that. Bluelots.com. This is my first box from them, and I'm going to unbox this one and see what's in there. All right, we got our box from Bluelots. Bluelots.com. It's another liquidation company. This is my first box that I've ever gotten from them. Because it's my first box, they had seen a couple of my videos that I've done and know that you guys are the ones that buy from places like Bluelots. It's a liquidation place similar to AML Incorporated, PalletBid.com, Bulk.com. So it's along those lines. The website is great. They give you all the UPC codes, give you great condition notes. And so because of that, they gave me a referral code, which I'll put down in the description. Just full disclosure, they gave me the referral code. And basically, if you use that referral code to take you to the website and you purchase anything, I do get a small percentage. But I did not ask for that. They just willingly gave it to me because they think you guys will definitely buy from them because you saw one of my videos. So this is a brand new, it's called Apparel and Accessories box. Everything is brand new. There's only 11 items in here, but we're going to check out the condition and see, are these flippable? So I'm going to do a second video where I'm going to run down through the numbers and what I think I can make on each one of the items. So 11 units in this box, which averages out to about $13.50 per item. It's all brand new. It says Patagonia, Polar Max, United by Blue, and more women's apparel in this liquidation lot. So it does give me a full manifest. And so as you can see, it's kind of all written out in what they think the full retail is. Obviously, when you're a reseller, you know you don't sell anything at full retail, but it does give you a manifest. The nice thing that I really noticed about our manifest is that it gives me all the UPC, but it also gives me the ASIN numbers. And sometimes when you have the ASIN numbers, it's a lot easier to find that exact thing because UPCs sometimes are tied to, let's say you have a sweater and it's got multiple different colors. A UPC will give you all of those colors. The ASIN is the exact color that you actually have. So it's really nice that they include those because it's a lot more user-friendly, especially when selling on Amazon. All right, so let's get into this box and see what we got going on. Try not to rip any of the clothes. So, one thing I did not say is I spent $189 on this box, which included the $40 of shipping. So $40 seems like a lot, but it looks like $40 is the flat rate that they always do. Bulk does $30. Other companies do a different price, but this one is $40. So I can reuse a lot of these air bubbles, which is really nice. Looks like it comes with the full manifest of everything that came in it, the packing slip. So that's going to be really nice. And how many in each quantity. So it looks like I have one of everything except for this one I have two. So I can kind of tell you exactly. So one thing I noticed right off the bat is barcodes. So everything is brand new. So this one is a USA flag, looks like. Some type of USA thing. Let me see if I can find it on here real fast. Yeah, it's just USA flag type shirt. All right, let's look at the next thing. This is another one, 100% made in the USA. Polar Max. These are Polar Max t-shirts. Both of these are Polar Max t-shirts. And then I've got, don't know much about Polar Max, but if you do know something about Polar Max, please let me know. I have sold clothing before, and so it's a category I am ungated in, and I'm hoping each one of these brands I'm ungated in as well. This is a Toad & Company Sama skirt. So brand new, has the UPC, it's a blue skirt. If I took it out of the bag, I'm sure it'd be in great condition. Let me see. This is more Polar Max. This was the one that I had two of. They're basically thermal pants, kind of thermal long underwear. So these are the two Polar Max. Looks like they're both the same. Both women's small. So that was my one item that I had two of. Here's another. This is a United by Blue. Looks like a shirt of some sort. United by Blue shirt. This looks like, let's see, it's kind of hard to get these tags. Let me see if I can pull this out. This is a stoneware core flex, some sort of an exercise type of item, tank top. Stoneware core flex tank top. So it's one of those exercise types of tank tops. This one is a Toad & Company. It looks like a plaid, or not plaid, but it's a dress shirt, button-up shirt, striped. And then I've got a Patagonia thermal weight, looks like pair of pants. Looks like sweatpants. And then I've got Smart Wool Woman's Merino Pattern Crew t-shirt. Some sort of a sweatshirt t-shirt. I don't know if it's long sleeve or short sleeve. So I will check that on the UPCs and be able to tell you more. All right, and then this one is a spandex. What brand is it? It is the North Face. The North Face looks like yoga pants, basically. So fun looking, funky looking yoga pants. So, yeah, green and blue. So that's all that's in there. And so I'm actually going to run the numbers and let you know what all the numbers are and how much I think I can make on it based on the purchase price of $189. So I'm hoping these are high-end clothing pieces and that I can make some good money. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget about the referral code if you plan on buying anything from Bluelots. Obviously, this is good condition. Let's see if we can make some money. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. If you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks!